Are you a transporter and you have some vehicles in which you have installed GPS tracker, but you are facing difficulty in understanding as to how to track those vehicles using the GPS gateway panel? What is the way you can know how many kilometers these vehicles have covered, how to see their life status on map, or how to download their report? Today, through this video, I am going to make you understand how to completely make use of GPS gateway panel so that you can utilize all the benefits of it. Let's start then. In this video, we will talk about the new version known as Advanced User Dashboard or version 5.7. Your first step is to open the website track.gpsgateway.in in Google. Then you will enter your username, ID and password here and click on login. After login, this is how your account on screen will look to you. On the upper side of screen, you can see that it is written version 5.7. If you click on it, then a new portal will open on screen, which is the new and advanced version of user panel available for your access. Let us start with the understanding how to use this version and benefit from its features. First, we will talk about the main screen. There is a full screen option on the right hand side of the screen. If you click on it, you will be able to see all the information on full screen mode. By clicking on the icon beneath it, you will be able to select different maps like street, grayscale, lighten, outdoor and Google. This option is only available in the advanced version of user panel. Next icon is for settings, from where you can select all the information that you would like to see on the map. If you want to see traffic here, you can click on the box beside traffic. If you want to see the number of vehicles along with it, you can click on label. If instead of group of vehicles displayed on the map, you want to see a cluster, you can click on cluster. The POI that you have assigned to the vehicle, if you want to see that POI on the map here, you can click on POI. If you want to see the geofencing that you drew on map, you can click on geofencing. Let us come back to main screen. Beneath the settings icon is the replay icon. If you click on it, then you can see the replay of the vehicle on a particular date and time. For example, we will select the vehicle here and time and date here. Time and date has to be selected from when till when you want to see the replay of. After selecting these details, click on show. After that, in this time frame, you will be able to see the replay of the vehicle on screen here. If you want to change the speed of this replay, meaning you wish to watch the replay in slow or fast mode, then you can adjust it from here. On the upper left hand side of screen, you can see all running, stop and idle options. If you click on running, then you will only see the vehicles which are in running mode. Running vehicles are represented by green color. If you click on idle, then you will only see those vehicles whose ignition is on but they are not moving. Idle vehicles are represented by yellow color. And if you click on stop option, then you will see only those vehicles which are in stop state. Stop vehicles are represented by red color. We will now come back to the main screen. On the left hand side of the main screen, you will see history, place and events. If you click on vehicles, you will see all this information. Here you can see the information on vehicles like vehicle number, their ignition is on or off, how many kilometers has the vehicle covered, and the last icon lets you know the history and path of the vehicle. Upon clicking on any vehicle, you will see that the details of this vehicle would be displayed at the bottom of screen. You can see vehicle number, ignition, its speed, address, latitude, longitude, etc. If you wish to navigate, then you can click here. This will let you know how much time will it take for you to reach the location of your vehicle from here. From here, you can watch the replay of vehicle if you want. For that, you will have to select the vehicle and put the time from when till when you want to see the replay. This option will help you to control the speed of the replay to fast or slow. Here you can see it is written playback, follow path, show path, add geofence, share location and navigate. Upon clicking on show path, you will be able to see the entire path of this vehicle on map. If you move the cursor on the left hand side of the vehicle, then you can see its complete details like its speed, fuel supply, device type, vehicle type, etc. This is add geofence option. We have already spoken about this option in our previous video of old version. If you want to share the location of this vehicle with someone, then you will have to click here and the link that appears on the screen can be copied and shared with person you wish to share the location. Now we will talk about history option. If you click here, you can see the history of any vehicle. You can view that a certain vehicle on a certain day covered which all places. Let us understand this with the help of an example. So we select a vehicle here and time and date from here. Time and date here refers to from when till when you want to see the history of this vehicle. Underneath it is stop, in which you have to mention the duration of halt or stop you wish to consider in the journey of this vehicle. There are some options available like 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 15 minutes. I have selected 5 minutes here. Upon clicking, you can see the complete history of this vehicle and also the stop of 5 minutes this vehicle took during its journey. This number that you see on map here is for stop, and if you take your cursor there, you will see the location. Now we will talk about events. If you click on this option, you can see that this particular vehicle is associated with this account. You can also see if the vehicle is in running, stop or idle state. After this, the 3 dots that you see here on clicking, it will give you some options. We have already discussed about the other options. Here we will talk about a new option, which is themes. If you want to change the color of the text or icon in your user portal, then you can do so by using this theme. Upon clicking on theme option, you will see a pop-up of customize theme on your screen, under which you can see it is written screen color and icon color, using which you can change the color as you desire. After changing, you must click on save settings. In the end, we will talk about dashboard written on the upper center of screen. Clicking on this icon will redirect you to a new page where you can see different graphs. First graph is for pie chart, that is giving you the status of all vehicles as to how many vehicles are there in running mode and how many are stop and idle. Beneath it is the line and bar graph, which is telling you the information on vehicle driven. And the next graph is for vehicle wise vehicle driven information. So this was the information for new version of user panel. If you want to know more about the information we shared with you, write in the comment section. If you like our video and want us to bring for you more such videos, then like, share and subscribe to our channel GPS Gateway.